Hello guys, you're welcome back to another video. It's your favorite girl Ugeze Nwayoma. Give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my page on Facebook, like and share this video. Guys, please share this video. It's very important because in this video we're gonna learn a lot from Korra Obidi. Korra is based in US, but she's gardening. For some of you that said that she is not a good mom, that she's not attentive to so many things, I want you to watch this video to the end and tell me if what you think about this lady, Korra Obidi, is true. Because some will never believe that Korra Obidi could take care of her garden by herself. Like, guys, this looks unbelievable to some people. But yeah, that is she taking care of her garden. After watching this video, honestly, I am motivated because I also have a portion of garden in my own apartment. I'm thinking of doing something, guys. Honestly, I will plant vegetables. Like she said, I'll plant my yellow pepper, red pepper, tomatoes and other vegetables, honestly. So guys, please watch this video till the end. And also in this video, she was replying to some of her fans. I think there are new fans because the way they were asking some questions, okay? So she was replying them as well in this video. Honestly, watching this video really motivated me. I enjoyed it and I decided to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy it too and learn something from her on this video. So please watch to the end and drop your opinion about this video, okay? See you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to follow my page, like and share this video for me. Remember, it's your girl Ugeze Nwayoma. Ciao, ciao. Bye.
Hey, let's garden together. So I just bought a bunch of peppers and I want to plant them. Join me and let's plant them together. So guys, how do you come on someone's stream? In the morning you need nice spanking, in the afternoon you repeat you need nice spanking. Are you okay? You're obviously sick. If you know you don't want to watch me gardening, just off this live. It's not for you, it's for everyone who wants to see me garden, okay? If you're not here to watch me gardening, get out, okay? Get out. So today I want to plant pepper, a lot of pepper, because I'm tired of buying pepper and tomatoes. I buy it all the time. Why? When I come garden. So let me go and get my things for a big garden. Mommy. Yes, baby. Come and see what I'm doing. I'm taking out, so I put some leaves, some orange back. This time I'm not gonna leave my garden to somebody else. 100 stars, please. If you're not sending me stars, just share up, okay? I don't have time to read your comments if you're not sending me stars. Did you hear that? Did you hear what she said? She's just a horrible person. Did you hear what she said? She said she doesn't have time to read your comments if you don't send her stars. Who does that? Who says that? Okay, if you have any gardening tips, tell me now. Gardening tips, anyone? So I'm cleaning up my garden. My mint plant, she needs a little work. I'm gonna fill up this pot of my avocado. Yes, it's an avocado tree flowering. One thing about life is whatever you sow, you will reap. All of you that are still buying peppers or buying mint, I can't remember the last time I bought mint. Can I taste your flour? I don't know why that sounds wrong. Taste my flour. No, you can't taste my flour. What country am I? I'm in the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Oh, water.
You want the water?
Yes.
You want water?
Yes. No.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I have this money tree. It has been inside this tiny pot for a long
I
time.
want the water.
I'm gonna transplant it inside because I can't put it inside this. There's no hole in here, and when there's no hole, there's no space for the soil to breathe.
Mimi.
So I'll put it in here.
Mimi, twice.
Hmm?
Mimi.
I think I'm gonna bring knife for
I
me.
want it in the hand.
Inside.
No.
My love, please, please, please. Baby, Samayati. Baby, come. My God, you're in the night. So here I have a yellow pepper. I'm gonna take this bad boy out. Oh, look at how cute it is. Gonna put it in the pot. It has a new home. A new home for you, my baby boo. A bigger space for you to grow and expand. Hopefully you give me delicious peppers by summer.